Hi Trisha, I am Jerry, second year BS Accountancy. Happy 18th birthday, God bless.
I'm Carl Vincent B. Mediano, BSc 2. I just want to say a happy birthday and wishing you more birthdays to come. God bless you.
Hello, ako si Eric. Ako sa College of Home Economics. Happy birthday, Tisha. God bless. Pagtarong sa mong pag-eskwela. Best wishes.
Happy birthday. By the way, I am Ian M. Sumampong, second year Best Accountancy. And I wish you have more birthdays to come and may God bless you. Thank you. Hello, I'm Sharon Rap Mercado. Happy 18th birthday, Trisha. God bless.
Carmelo, BS Accountancy 2. Happy 18th birthday, Trisha. God bless.
Ako si John Will, BS Accountancy 4. Joan, happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday, Trisha. God bless.
Hello, Japan. Trisha, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Happy 18th birthday, Atro. Tapos, kuhaan ko ro. Kanang pag-study tarong, kay 18 na ka. Mature na jud ka. Papriso na jud ka na. Pag kamot ka. Then, imong friend, kasi Riz, love kay ka. Then, uban pa nimong friends na diri, love jud kay ka kay. Nag-effort sila parehatin. So, happy birthday, Atro.
Hey, I just met you. And she's crazy. But here's my ATM number, so send me money. Joe! Happy 18th birthday!
Hi Trisha, happy 18th birthday. God bless yung pag-study.
I'm Jesse Michael Alzate, DVM1. Happy 18th birthday, Trisha. God bless.
3, 2, 1. Happy 18th birthday, Trisha Ineryu. I'm Bong BSc 2. Wish you all the best. God bless.
Hi, I'm Hansel Vihinlo, 18, BS Accountancy diri sa Central Mindoro University. Kaabon ako si Riz nga imong friend sa pop dance, then she requested me nga magkuan sa imo maghatag greetings. Nya since 18th ika-18 man yung mga birthday, happy birthday, then happy debut sa imuha, then wishing you all the best in life and live healthy. I know that God will always bless you, so happy birthday again.
Hi, Trish! Hi, it's me, MC Kikuno. I'm April K. Mendoza. I'm from Home Economics and I'm BSND1. And I just want to say happy birthday and best wishes, more birthdays to come.
Happy 18th birthday, Trish! Though wala mi nakailan mo, it's our pleasure to greet you on your 18th birthday.
Lagi jud, Trish. Bago pa kong mata. So, happy birthday, Trish, and God bless! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Camila, I'm Charmaine Baber, friend of Sayonara Lucina. We may not know each other, but I wish you all the best in life. Happy 18th birthday, and bring out the best in you.
Hey baby, how you doing? How's that thing? Anyway, happy 18th birthday, Try. Ako yung gusto is to make it 18 boys ang musturya. But then, naglisod ko kay midterm week magod na mo karon, and so lisod kay sila pangitaon wala kabalo sa ilang mga schedules and ulaw pud kaayo mga project nga wala kaila. But kabalo ko 13 na sila kabok. I hope na bisag 13 na sila nalipay ka or you found happiness sa effort nga akong gihimo. And I'm doing this because I love you. So again, happy 18th birthday. Life may not give you the best, but I wish you to find happiness in it. I love you so much. Enjoy legitimacy. Bye-bye.